What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Jay Costa here. So today I'm going to give you an overview and a quick review, my thoughts on a new tool that I just picked up a little while back, and that is the Craftsman V20 20-inch hedge trimmer. So just so you know, I am not a professional landscaper. Actually, I hate landscaping. That's why I have a landscaper do my landscaping for me, but I do have some hedges and stuff around the house, and I've never bought a hedge trimmer at all, but I saw that they were charging me like $150 to trim my hedges. So I was like, hey, why not just go spend the $99 on sale that I bought this thing for? Link in the description box down below if you're interested, and do it myself and save the $150. Any excuse to buy a Craftsman tool and share a review with you guys is fine by me. So let's get into it. All right, so here we are with the Craftsman V20 20-inch hedge trimmer. Now, I did use this thing already, but I wanted to give you an overview first of kind of how it comes in the box and what it comes with. So obviously, first things first, here is the actual tool itself. It's pretty well made. It's okay quality-wise. I can't complain. Is it a professional tool? Absolutely not. As I say in all my videos, I'm just a DIY guy, just trying to save a little bit of money, trimming my own hedges once or twice a year instead of paying $150 a pop to the landscaper. So for my needs, it is more than adequate. It does come with a handle here as well as a guard piece here. Now those come actually off the tool, so you're gonna have to assemble those yourself. You have some Craftsman branding there, and here is your lock. The lock goes both ways, and if it's not either way, you will not be able to engage the trigger here. Once you pull it, you'll be able to pull the trigger and push it the other way, pull the trigger. So it can go either way. Here is where your battery goes. And then on the back part, you'll actually see this is a hook for the Versa Track system. Now, I will show you right now, actually. I don't have a Versa Track, but I do have the Gladiator Gear Track, I believe it's called, which should be compatible. So I'm gonna test that out right now to see if it works on the Gladiator system. All right, so this is the back of my garage here. Let's see if it works. And there you go. Goes right in. No problem at all on the Gladiator Gear Track. And you'll also be able to see, I've noticed some of the Craftsman tools with this Versa Track hook on it, they kind of stick out, but this one doesn't. You can push it right in and it's completely flush with the rest of the tool, which is a very nice touch. Here is the battery and charger that it comes with. Now, I did not expect much from this battery and this charger because I already have enough batteries and chargers. I have the fast chargers for my own use. I have a bunch of 4 amp hour as well as the 2 amp hour batteries. My first impression of this battery was I thought it was kind of cool just because it was black. By the way, price-wise, I picked this thing up for, I think it was $99 on sale. I was just buying it for the tool anyway. I didn't need any of this. This is not even a 2 amp hour battery. It's a 1.5 amp hour battery, which is very small because honestly the 2 amp hours are usually not enough for what I need it for anyway. And you should also know that when you compare it to the 4 amp hour and the 2 amp hour batteries, these both have lights showing you how much is left on the battery, and this one does not. So a little disappointed in that, but I will get to that in a little bit in regards to the actual use of the tool. Here is the charger. Now this is just known as basically a puck style slow charger. It's supposed to charge slow. I looked at the actual output of it, and I'm not sure you'll be able to read that, but I think it says like 400 milliamp or something like that, which is 400 milliamp, which is very slow. I think that these fast chargers go at like 4 amps or something like that, which is just way faster than this thing. So I don't even know what I'm gonna do with that. Just put it in a drawer and forget about it. But very slow. I didn't test it myself. I haven't used it, but I think online I saw that it takes like 3 or 4 hours to charge this thing up. I mean, if this is all you need it for, and you're only gonna use the hedge trimmer once every few weeks or whatever, I guess it should be okay. But if you're planning on using it more often than that, I would definitely recommend getting yourself a faster charger as well as a bigger battery probably. So now with this plastic sheathing off, and let me just show you again how cheap and flimsy this thing is. It's kind of a joke. I really wish that there was something better than that, but once again, I guess better than nothing. But here are the blades here. Like I said, I did use this thing already, and honestly, guys, I have been very impressed with the use of it. As I said earlier, I'm not a landscaper. I've never even had a hedge trimmer before, so I don't have much to compare it to. But a couple of things that I liked was, first, these blades both move. I was just expecting one to move, if that makes any sense, but both moves, top and bottom blades move, which make it easier to cut through, thicker stuff in my experience. And also, honestly, I'm gonna call it like it is. This battery lasted the entire time that I was trimming my hedges. So maybe Craftsman knows that, hey, like this thing does not use very much battery at all, and that's why they put the battery in here. It is lightweight, that's for sure. I would say, I guess it is slightly even less weight than this, but I mean, I would have expected at least a 2 amp hour battery. 1.5 is kind of a little bit of an insult in my opinion, but regardless, it lasted the whole time, and I would expect if you put a 4 amp hour battery on this sucker, you'll be using it for a very, very, very long time. All right, let me go show you guys how it looks in regards to. Let me see if I could find anything else to trim up, and I'll show you guys how it works and how well it works. All right, guys, as you can see, this thing works really well, honestly. I mean, better than I was expecting, and it lasts longer than I was expecting with the, I don't have it in there now, but with the 1.5 amp hour battery and even the 2 amp hour battery. Honestly, you probably don't even need the 4 amp hour battery on this one. The 2 amp hour is really good unless you're using it for some sort of professional use. Keep it lighter weight for you, because obviously a hedge trimmer you need to, get up high in the air and things like that. Weight could be a factor, but I would definitely recommend this if you already are into the V20 line by Craftsman, and if you need a hedge trimmer. They do have a couple other ones. They have like a longer one as well as a shorter handheld one. This fits perfectly, and it seems like kind of the jack of all trades, but if you're like a homeowner or something like that, it would definitely fit the bill for that. But I would definitely recommend not using this charger because it takes hours and hours, and I think these fast chargers would be able to charge that 1.5 amp hour battery. You could do the math yourself. I'm not too good off the top of my head, but it should charge that thing up really, really quickly for you. But other than that, if you like this video, if you want more Craftsman V20, Craftsman VersaStack review videos and things like that, and tool videos, hit the like button, subscribe, as well as give me a comment in the comment section down below about what you think about this specific tool, or if you have any questions about it. I would love to help you out in any way that I can, and give me some other stuff to review, because I love an excuse to buy Craftsman tools. I have been into Craftsman since I was a little kid, going to Sears when I was a little kid, just like the rest of you guys, and it's nostalgia to me. I know it's not the same, but trying to keep it alive as much as I can. But other than that, guys, I appreciate you guys tuning in. I will see you next time.